coolest things because there's so many different things you can do with it. It's a great gift if you want to wrap it up as a gift. Maybe you bake little cakes. We'll show you a lot of different ideas for it. But even for your own home, you add these in. We've got a lot of different designs for you. We've sold 134,000 of these. It's normally $24. We've got it less than $20 right now, or 5 payments of less than $4 a month. And so it's been very popular already today. 5,200 already ordered just today. Okay, so let's take a look. So you're going to get 4 of each. All right, so you can choose right here the gray polka dot, or we have that pink or rose colored polka dot. We have this polka dot in the eggplant purple, and then we have this polka dot in, are we calling it turquoise blue?
Yeah, it's like a teal.
Yeah, like a teal. So here's the thing. If you order polka dot, you get all 4. Okay, so you get all 4 of these, the gray, the rose, the purple, and the turquoise. Then let's talk about this one, and I want you to talk about it, Tara, because this is an entire holiday set.
Yeah, so if you're picking up our holiday dinnerware, you'll recognize that icon of the Christmas tree. It's not only on the front, Mary Beth, it's on the back, and it's also on the inside. Each one comes with that snap-on storage cover, but the hand painting is 360 degrees inside and out. Then next door to that is going to be the poinsettia. This also matches back to our brand new dinnerware in our holiday collection, hand painted inside and out. Then of course we could not forget about our whimsy characters with gumdrop in the middle, and of course our snowman and our penguin on the side. And then last but not least, we have what we call our festive Fetty. And our festive Fetty coordinates all of our colors of our red and our green and of course our white. But our mini loaf pans have been wildly popular. This is about the 3rd year we've done them. We are retiring this collection. But at the heart of it, they're 12 ounces in total capacity. So your gravy, your relishes, your cranberry sauce, all of those great side dishes, but you can also bake in here as well. So your pumpkin breads, your spice breads, your apple cake. We did a wheel of food.
Yeah, let's
just to
talk
give you
about
some more ideas and suggestions.
Let's start right here with the meatloaf wrapped in bacon.
Yes.
What's not
wrapped
to love
in
about
bacon.
that?
So 12 ounces total capacity. That could easily be for the 2 of you, which is fantastic.
That's right.
Then of course we have next door to that some of our, we have our hot dip, our dip hooray. Yes, exactly. Then of course we have our yogurt parfait. So whether you're doing breakfast or you're doing fruit salad and you want to keep cold things cold, you can chill that ahead of time. Then of course we have, isn't that fun? Again, you can do any of our no-bake Remy cheesecakes there as well. Then next door to that, I'm trying to catch up.
That's fine.
Oh, of course.
Apricot cranberry bread.
Yes, exactly. A beautiful baked bread that you see there. Then, of course, we have some of your parfaits. Yogurt, perfect. Then is that our mac and cheese? There's our mac and cheese.
I like
and
this.
Then maybe you have Durmac. Maybe you have Durmac, or maybe you like to make your own mix. Of course, you have that 12 ounces. Then we even baked an original bread in there, so everybody could have their own little bread.
Look at that.
And then
look how beautifully it bakes.
Omelet? Isn't that gorgeous?
Nice.
Pops right out. Naturally non-stick.
Here's a frittata.
And then our little egg bake. Yeah, a little frittata.
Ooh, and
then
a cake.
A Christmas cake with 2 of our characters.
Yeah, and you're getting 4 of these. I was just thinking, you know, if you actually took like a cake mix and divided it between the 4 that you get, I mean, that would be great. You'd have these 4 little individual ones. But remember, you either get these 4, which is the holiday designs, or these 4, which are all the polka dot designs. And you'll get the gray, the pink, the purple, and the turquoise. They all come together. And then here it's the red, you know, kind of...
festive Fetty.
Festive Fetty, that's what it was. I couldn't remember the festive Fetty. Here is, I love this. This is so cute. It's so great.
The whimsy characters.
Yep,
yes.
There's the poinsettia, and you get all 4 of these holiday ones. And there's the holiday design. So continue to call in. 6,000 of these already ordered today. I just want to remind you, this is a clearance price. There's no reorder. There's no more of these coming in. When they're gone, they're gone. We had 5 patterns. We're down to 2. So that's why you want to get them now. It's less